a game of ring toss is on the table. Well, in this case, on the floor, the aim is for me to navigate Nev through the pins, blindfolded. Is me to navigate you or us to navigate each other? I guess we'll figure that out.
No, you navigate.
All right, so cover your eyes, and I'm supposed to give you directions to be able to put your ring.
Ready?
Yes. All right. Can I turn him around a little bit, like?
Then you will lead me through, so it no matter.
No, but I mean, like, can you spin up? Move to your left. Again. Again. Don't use your hand. Move to your right. Again. More until I say stop. Keep going. Move back. Back. Left. Don't touch. Left. That's not left, sir. That is. Oh yes, left. That is left. Okay. All right. Now.
Yeah.
You're gonna move forward. Stop. Make a left. Forward. Make a right. Forward. Oh, stop. Right. Forward. Make a Me not gonna make you move again, because I didn't say too nice. You finished?
Yeah.
All right, make a left. No, wait. Forward. All right, now make a left. 3 lefts. 1, 2, 3. Go on now. One more. Okay, forward and Payaka, Manakal and Gosaka. Make it keep going. And keep going. Straighten up, Nev. Center. To the right. Turn your body. And forward again. No. Center yourself. Now say where you're going to the right. Center. Yes. Now put your hand out with the ring. Excellent job. Well done. Produce. Shudi Flang. Good job.
Simone,
my turn? Neville's going to send me out a road, you know. You think I don't know him?
No.
When him done with me, I'm out
not
on
going to be
Lindhurst.
like you and give you no difficulty. Here, you need this.
When I let her blindfold up me.
Take off the glass.
No, man. Yeah, go on.
But it can't come wrong.
It can't? All right, ready.
Okay. Forward. Keep going. You have to keep your feet together, because if you spread them out too much. Little to your right. Little more to your right. And just come straight through now. No, where you going? Turn to your right a little bit. Yeah. No, you still don't straighten. Lick more to your right. Walk straight now. Straight. Come through, man. Come through.
I'm coming through.
Right through, man. Little bit to your right. Little bit. Yeah, and come through. Come straight through. Straight. You're not touching anything. You're on the highway now. Come. Highway, same way. Take time. Little bit to your left. Little bit to your left. Little bit to your left. All right, put out your arm. Right. No. In front of you. In front somewhere. In front. No, you don't have to lean. Just, yeah. Hold on, man. Right. Woo! Go back left. Drop it. You never drop it properly enough. You need to take it.
Tell you no.
No, hold on. Stop. Take it off. Your hand was right here, and I said, your hand was here, and I said, drop it, but you kind of drop it, so Look how I get you right in front of where you're supposed to be.
It's your fault.
I get it quickly to you take half hour for me reach.
But guess what? You were slow and steady wins the race, because when you got here, I was able to navigate you over it proper.
When do it backwards. Come. Talk to me. Now just close my eye. Talk to me.
Back up. Stop. Back up. Move to your left. Back up. Back up. Tap to your left. Keep your feet together, Neville. Little bit to your right. Tops. Right. Back up. Good job. Now to your right. 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 Stop. And back up. Back up. Back up. Tap to your left. And stop. And back up. Back up. Back it up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Come. Catch. 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 All the way back. All the way back. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. And tap. Now extend your right hand just a toops too far. To your left just a bit. Up. No. To out. Up and out. And jump. Oh. Now, you know, ladies and gentlemen, what this demonstrates is that the clearly better instruction giver.
No, what it demonstrates is you don't know how to drop the thing. Because you're right.
I know how to drop it.